Okay, so my name is Lauren. I came in here in December 2009. My dad took me to a few different treatment centers and they didn't accept me, and I came here and they accepted me. I was totally hopeless and I really didn't know what was going to happen, and neither did my dad. I was pretty out there, and I didn't really think it was going to get better, and I started here, and something happened for me while I was here. I didn't think my future when I was in here. What I was thinking was going to happen is I was going to be living at my dad's house under his care, getting disability for whatever reason, because you couldn't have an intelligent conversation with me when I was here. And something began to happen, and I'm very grateful for that. I began to heal, and I began to heal spiritually and mentally and physically, and I don't think that would have happened anywhere else. And because of that, I now have 4 years sober, and I'm in school, and I work in recovery, and I want to be a social worker, and my future is a lot brighter than it was before I got here. So I'm forever grateful for the river source and for allowing me to be in a place where I could heal and I could build a foundation and have friendships and just learn as much as possible, be in a safe place. The aspect that I found most beneficial at the river source was really the staff here kind of just helped me. They just believed in me through the whole process. I didn't have any hope whatsoever. I thought that I wasn't going to get better, and through doing the groups and through having to get a sponsor and just the whole aspect of healing that's involved here, the holistic portion of it, working the 12 steps, all of that combined with the staff and the atmosphere here gave me a chance. I don't think I would have had that anywhere else, and my dad agreed. My dad was really worried. I was really worried. Doctors told me, my dad thought, and I thought that I wasn't really going to get better, that I was going to be on a bunch of medications, and that was going to be the rest of my life. I had to come to terms with that. And the river source reminded me and my dad that just give it time and things happen, and that's what happened for me. Is I just began to heal, and through the groups and building that foundation was just really important. For me, I guess really was just giving myself the chance to come here. It's very scary early on in recovery, in everybody's life, in parents and whoever the addiction is affecting. It's all nerve-wracking and scary. We don't really know what it's like to be sober. We lived so long using or drinking or whatever it was that we did, that we don't really know how we are sober, and we have to face a lot of things that we've been avoiding. So what I would recommend is just to give yourself the opportunity to heal, because in my experience, my future is a lot brighter now than it was even before I used drugs or alcohol. And just by giving myself the opportunity to heal, there's infinite possibilities.